Once there was a young girl named Lily who felt stuck in her life. She had a job that she did not enjoy, few friends, and was feeling unfulfilled. One day, a friend introduced her to the law of attraction. At first, Lily was skeptical. She could not imagine that her thoughts and beliefs could have such a powerful impact on her life. But the more she learned, the more she intrigued she became. She started to pay attention to her thoughts and emotion and realized that she often focused on negative things. Lily decided to take control of her thoughts and beliefs and started to focus on positive outcomes. She imagined herself in a job that she loved, with friends who support and uplift her, and living a fulfilling life. At first, it was difficult for Lily to stay positive. She would often slip back into negative thinking patterns, but she persevered. She started a gratitude journal and wrote down everything she was thankful for each day. She also started to visualize her desired outcomes every morning and every night. Slowly but surely, Lily's life began to shift. She was offered a new job opportunity that she loved, and her new co-workers became her close friends. She found herself feeling more fulfilled and content than ever before. Lily realized that the law of attraction had been working all along. She was amazed at how powerful her thoughts and beliefs had been creating in her reality. She knew that there would be challenging along the way, but she also knew that she had the power to create the life she wanted. From that day forward, Lily lived each day with a positive attitude and an open mind. She knew that anything was possible if she believed in herself and the power of the law of attraction.